For the true beginner here, there's going to be 7 notes on the piano. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And if you have a full-size keyboard at home, which is 88 keys, sort of the best way to do it is the very lowest note is A. And then we just kind of use the old-fashioned alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And then you just keep restarting. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Restart. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Blah, 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 the whole way. But I tend to prefer to teach it a slightly different method where I use the nice visual cues of the black keys. I tend to have students just find the groups of 2s first, go all the way up, find the groups of 3s just to get your bearings. It's nice to notice that the piano is very visual, really great to approach because it's easy to see all these things. And then this one that has no friends all by itself is sad. And what I'll tend to do is in the middle of the piano, there's this note called middle C because it's in the middle, pretty crazy. And I'll usually link it with 2 black keys here, and I'll say a C's here. And then if we just remember that idea that we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G for the alphabet, let's just finish off the alphabet from here. C, D, E, F, G, and then we repeat it, A. Now, a great thing for me that people will pick up on quick is the visual cue, the 2 black keys, being C's quite easy. I'll tend to have the same one with the 3 black keys, leading to a F. And I use these as little boundary notes. Another nice one to do would be you have the 2 black keys here. There's a C, 2 black keys. The other boundary note upwards is a E. Now we know that's also an E because we could think from C, A, B, C, D, E. With the 3 black keys, boundary note of F, 3 black keys, boundary note of B. And we could have also known with that, if we think about the musical alphabet, F, G, A, B. So all roads lead to Rome in that idea. But sometimes these visual cues can help. So I'll have a student say, okay, find for me all Fs. And they'll see this. Okay, cool, that's F. Boom, that's F. Okay, find all the E's. Okay, find the 2 black keys, E. 2 black keys, E. 2 black keys, E. And it doesn't take long for them to start to fill in the gaps. 2 black keys, C. 2 black keys, E. 3 black keys, F. 3 black keys, B. And then pair that with the other way of just thinking about that alphabet. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. D, E, F, G, A, B, C. But yeah, using those black keys as a reference is great. Or if you have a full size, start with an A, blunk, woo!